Welcome to this video tutorial on how to liquidate your portfolio. This feature of SparkBot makes it super simple to cash out your portfolio. Whether you have been placing market orders or limit orders, there will be a time you wish to take profit, and this is exactly where the liquidate feature comes into play. In SparkBot, click on Liquidate Portfolio. SparkBot will then reply prompting you to choose the wallet you wish to liquidate. Note that you can set a minimum and maximum threshold for each crypto asset in your portfolio. In this example, we're going to set a maximum of $20. So let's click on the Update the Max Value of the Tokens button. Here we will simply type 20 for $20 US. SparkBot then replies with a confirmation. Let's do the same for the minimum value. We want any asset we have in our wallet to amount to a value of at least $5 to be considered for liquidation. Once your minimum and maximum values are set, you can proceed to liquidating your portfolio. Any assets inside the wallet which meet your minimum and maximum token asset value will be liquidated. In other words, the tokens will be swapped for the network's native token. In this example, it would be Ethereum, and you can see the amount of Shiba Inu tokens we have in this wallet is being considered for liquidation because it falls within the minimum and maximum asset values we defined earlier. From this point, you can accept or deny the action. This concludes the video tutorial on how to use the liquidate portfolio function of SparkBot.